lemon, pepper, salmon, baby. That is what you see on your screen right now. This right here is so delicious, so easy to make, and jam-packed with so many flavors. I cannot wait for you guys to give this one a try. Let's not waste any more time and let's go ahead and get right on into the recipe. Let go. So we're gonna begin with about 2 pounds of salmon, and I slice it into 4 beautiful fillets. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And you know you gotta flip it over and do the same to the other side. Get it nice and oiled up. Now that we have that out of the way, you know we gotta season it up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course, all the ingredients will be listed down in the description box as well for you to reference to. So go ahead and just make sure your salmon is well coated up, just like mine is on the screen. Go ahead and pat it down, flip it over, season up the other side, get it nice and beautiful, ready to hit that sizzling hot pan. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into this pan, non-stick pan to be exact. This is a Caraway. These pans are amazing. If you check down in my description box, there's actually a link to my Amazon storefront. You can find this exact pan right here. It is good, trust me. Anyways, get your salmon right on in. You are not gonna touch it. You're just gonna let it do its thing for about, let's say, 2.5 to 3 minutes. Then you're gonna go ahead and give it a flip, and you can also, check on it a little bit, take a little peek. Soon as you see it's looking beautiful like this, go ahead and just give it that complete flip. Be careful because salmon always wants to break on you. It's very delicate. Give it a flip, and you're gonna let the other side do its thing for another 2.5 to 3 minutes. Once that time is up, we are then gonna remove our salmon from the pan. Again, be very careful. It wants to break on you. One of mine actually did. But yes, we're gonna remove this from the pan as we move on and work on that delicious lemon pepper sauce. So I'm gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter to my pan. You wanna go ahead and melt that down. Unsalted is key. You do not want your sauce to be salty. So now we're gonna toss in about a teaspoon of all-purpose flour. You wanna make sure that flour kind of does its thing in that pan before we add the next ingredient, which is some chicken broth, low sodium to be exact. You get that low sodium chicken broth in there, give it a mix. We're also gonna add in about a tablespoon of some Lawry's lemon pepper seasoning. You could use any lemon pepper seasoning of your choosing, but Lawry's is always my go-to. Once we have that taken care of, you're gonna go ahead and reintroduce your salmon into this pan right here and just let it simmer for a little bit in that delicious lemon pepper sauce. You go ahead and spoon a little bit, drizzle it over the top, finish it off with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. My goodness, this right here is everything. This goes well with so many dishes. You could go simple with some white rice, some veggies, some mashed potatoes, even some grits. I mean, the options are pretty much endless. So many ways to go with this one right here. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button. Gotta rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on these amazing recipes. Comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Thank you all for watching. Deuces.